So form and function. So what is the function of your website? So it's primarily about who your user is, what your offering is, and how you can engage the user to interact with you, your product, your service, or offering. So these are the three primary things you're trying to do with your website. It could be more than this, of course, but these are the sort of core values of why you're setting up a website. And the big question is, what would you like your users to do? So you're obviously here today because you're maybe setting up a website for yourself or somebody else. So it's thinking more about what you'd like your users to do. So if you want to make a couple of notes as to what you'd like your users to do, just for yourself. Some examples of things you might want your users to do is things like purchase your products. So maybe it is that you're setting up a retail or e-commerce store. Maybe gain a following of some kind. Maybe you're trying to build a profile as a personality or as a writer or something else. Or maybe even hire you as a freelancer to work on different client projects as well. So these are just some examples as to what you might want people to do. So just to give you some examples of some other websites and their functions. So this is Radiotopia. It's a site for lots of different podcasts. So it's almost like a podcast house, and this is their website. So it's working on lots of different projects. So it's really important that it's really clear and clean, even though each of those projects are quite different from each other. And actually, I identify with this one quite a lot because I'm a multidisciplinary designer. So it's just trying to make each of the projects that I do really, really clear. So this is one about listening. Then this is a local example, Maven, and disclaimer, I know the ladies that run Maven, so they have just actually created this beautiful store and it's gone online. So again, this is an example of e-commerce or retail, again, keeping it clean and simple and tying it into their brand as well. This is one that wants you to subscribe. So the moment you land, it's asking you to subscribe. And it's a site called Neon Moire, which is all about events as well and big conferences for design.